I've been working on a journal and an idea for a journal, and a couple weeks ago I finally put the file together and went through the process of uploading it into this lulu.com, and here it is in the mail, and I'm going to open it for the first time. Oh wow. That's cool. I didn't really think I wanted the dust cover, but now that I see it, it's not too bad actually. Wow. That's so cool. This is what all the inside pages look like. Just the For Your You quadrant, the seasonal quadrant, and then lines down below. Wow. So cool. Yeah, so on the spine it says that. So it really does kind of look like a book. More like a book than a journal, but different color red than I thought it would be. That's really cool. $220 pages. They're all the same, but I'm gonna be testing it out. It's actually a good day to test it out too. It's the beginning of my 50-day challenge, so I will use this to journal in for my 50-day challenge. So, your For Your You journal. Thanks for watching.